Hey everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lacy, learning authentic conversational English. So happy to have you here. And today we're going to talk about the difference between so and such. Very similar words, small words, but the way that we use them will be different. So, many of you know how to use the word so. We use so with the adjective. Very simple. So we can say so beautiful, or so expensive, so interesting, so difficult. In this case, so plus the adjective. Nice and simple, easy to use. I love it. If you want to use such, which is also great, but we have to use it differently. So you can't say such beautiful or such difficult. It doesn't work. With such, we actually need a whole phrase, because with such, we need to use such plus the article, a or an, the adjective, and then the noun. So, for example, we would say, today is such a beautiful day. Or maybe, he is such a funny person. So, keep in mind, if you use so, you can say he is so funny, or today is so beautiful. But if you want to use such a beautiful day, such a funny guy, maybe it is such a great idea, or such a difficult topic. Or maybe they are such a beautiful pair of shoes. So keep in mind that with such, you need the whole phrase. If you use so, all you need is the adjective. So choose carefully between so and such. Leave your comment below. I'm curious to see if you can use so in a sentence, but more importantly, I would love to see how you use such. So try to make your expression with such. Don't forget to add your article, your adjective, and your noun after such. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.